International Day of Yoga is observed on 21st June every year to spread awareness about the importance and effects of yoga on the health of people. The word yoga is derived from Sanskrit, which means to join or to unite. Yoga solely influences mind, spirit, body, and yuj. What do we understand by yoga? Yoga is a group of physical, mental, and spiritual practices or disciplines which originated in ancient India. Yoga increases body awareness, relieves stress, reduces muscle tension, strain, and inflammation, sharpens attention and concentration, and calms and centers the nervous system. Guidelines of yoga. Yoga should be practiced in a clean and calm environment with relaxed body and mind. It should be practiced on an empty or light stomach, and in case a person feels weak, he should consume a small honey in lukewarm water. Yoga practice should start with a prayer or an invocation to create a calm environment and relieve stress of the mind, and each asana should be performed slowly with awareness of the body as well as breath. A mattress, yoga mat, or a folded blanket should be used for the practice, and comfortable cotton clothes should be worn to ensure easy movement. Last but not the least, the limitations of each yoga exercise should be kept in mind, and the exercises should always end with a deep silence or meditation. The theme of 2020 International Day of Yoga is Yoga at Home and Yoga with Family. This year, keeping in mind the coronavirus pandemic and the social distancing norms, the International Yoga Day will be marked virtually. The theme, Ghar Ghar Mein Yog or Yoga at Home, Yoga with Family, and it would signify the importance of staying at home to practice social distancing and curbing the spread of COVID-19. Benefits of yoga: improved sleep, weight reduction, increased flexibility, increased muscle strength, strengthened bones, protection from injury, perfects your posture, protects spine, makes you happier, helps you focus, improved digestion, helps keep you drug-free, increases blood flow, balanced metabolism, gives inner strength, energy regulation are some of the benefits of yoga. Various psychological benefits of yoga. How many yoga poses are there? Asanas are also called yoga poses or yoga postures in English. The 10th or 11th century Goraksha Sataka and the 15th century Hath Yoga Pradipika identify the 84 asanas. The 17th century Hath Ratnavali provides a different list of 84 asanas and describing some of them here.
सब कह रहे हैं आदि योग के स्पर्श से अब योग में करना है तन मन सांस शाश्वत सनन सनन प्राण गुंजन धनन गणन उतरे मुझ में आदि योगी योग धारा चलत छन छन सांस शाश्वत
Facts about yoga. Who is the god of yoga? Shiva is also known as Adi Yogi Shiva, regarded as the patron god of yoga, meditation, and arts. What is the birthplace of yoga? Rishikesh, known as the birthplace of yoga, is located at the foothills of the Himalayas along the sacred Ganges River. The fundamental purpose of yoga is to foster harmony in the body, mind, and environment. Yoga professes a complete system of physical, mental, social, and spiritual development. So, all we need to do is yoga. Thank you.